In this video, I will show you how to earn in your X or Twitter community. Now, the quickest way to make money with your community is in doing affiliate marketing. And depending on your community niche, you need to find a business with an affiliate program. Join it and start selling their products or services on your community to earn commission. Another quick way to earn with your community is promoting other people's products or services. And you just need to agree with their business on the payment, then advertise their products or services on your community. And if you have your own business, you can directly sell your own products or services on your community. And you just need to post your products or services on your community and tell your potential customers how they can get them. In addition, you can ask for contributions from your members as a way to make money with your community. And with a good reason for asking for the contributions, you can be sure to get some good amount of money from your loyal members. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on X or Twitter and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.